Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we are going to discuss the literary term courtly love. Introduction. Courtly love, a doctrine of love and an elaborate code governing the relations between aristocratic lovers, was widely represented in the lyric poems and chivalric romances of Western Europe during the Middle Ages. The concept of courtly love is attributed to troubadours, poets from Provence, who popularized it from the late 11th to the 12th century. In this doctrine, love between the sexes is regarded as the noblest passion, combining erotic and spiritual aspects, and is often a love between a bachelor knight and another man's wife. Key characteristics of courtly love. The courtly lover idealizes and idolizes his beloved, willingly subjecting himself to her every whim. The love between them is portrayed as spiritualized and ennobling, leading to the lover's devotion and fidelity. The lover undergoes trials and tests imposed by his beloved, demonstrating his honor and adherence to a rigorous code of knightly conduct. Influence and sources. The origins of courtly love draw inspiration from various sources, including a serious reading of Ovid's The Remedies of Love, The Politics of Feudalism, and Christian concepts such as veneration of the Virgin Mary. The lady is exalted and worshipped, while the lover sins and repents, seeking salvation through his lady's gift of grace. Literary impact. The influence of courtly love spread to poets and romance writers across Europe, including Chrétien de Troyes, Dante, Petrarch, and the Elizabethan sonneteers. Its conventions can be observed in medieval romances like Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, and Chaucer's Troilus and Cresside. Cultural and social impact. The impact of courtly love extended beyond literature, shaping the actual experience of romantic relationships. It emphasized the intensity and ennobling power of love as the grand passion, the special sensibility and spiritual status of women, and the decorum governing relations between the sexes. Even in modern times, traces of courtly love continue to influence romantic notions. Feminist critique. Feminist criticism has challenged the medieval doctrine of courtly love, viewing it as demeaning to women and a means to reinforce their subordination to men in social, political, and economic spheres. So this was the discussion on the term courtly love. We will meet in the next video with some other term. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. Until the next video, bye bye and thank you.